Alright guys, I came home to this today. 50% water change this morning, now it's all cloudy. Figures. But also, he was doing great this morning. Not so hot now. But I did get to come home to this little surprise, if I can find one. Oh, there's one of my shrimp. Another ghost shrimp, another ghost shrimp. Figures I can find the ghost shrimp, but not what I'm looking for. Well, unless I can find them. I actually have some molly fry in here. There's a dead ghost shrimp apparently. Guess I'll have to fish him out. Well, saw 3 or 4 of them in here anyway. Somewhere. Of course, now I got the camera out and they're hiding. Where, oh where? They were hiding by this fern here. Where'd they go? One of my ghost shrimp are extremely pregnant too, so I should have some baby shrimp in here soon. But really hoping he pulls around because I actually really like him. And really hoping my catfish doesn't decide to eat the fry. Oh, there's my very pregnant ghost shrimp. Come on, focus. Oh, I see a reflection. There's one. There, molly fry. Very little. Yeah, give me an idea. Ghost shrimp, molly fry. That ghost shrimp is about 3/4 inch long. Oh yeah. Hopefully, I'll probably have to get a fungicide treatment. Hopefully it's just swim bladder disease and he pulls around. Well, that's how the 30's doing. Rather annoyed it got cloudy after my water change. Seems to be a bad habit of it. So, let me know if you guys have a solution. Seems like every time I do a water change, it's just crystal clear right before it. Crystal clear for about 10-12 hours after it. And then I get this.